Ugh. Okay, the orphanage gave me new glasses, and all better with all my cuts and scars. And one thing I am confused about is the orphanage looks like our school. It's because it is our school. JC? Yes, it's me, JC, you idiot. Now get out of here. My mom abandoned me. She almost killed me. Well, she should have. It's like you were born to die. Okay, I am born to die. And it's gonna happen in like a year or two. You know, there were some boys at that school. A lot of people lie to nerds and idiots. I'm not a nerd. I failed all my tests. You weren't even here to study for it, you idiot. And boys, like, don't you just crowded with nerds. Shut up. You know what? Who should shut up? You know what? Shut up, shut up. Mary Poppins, shut up. Everybody shut in the world. Shut up. Shut up, you idiot. Oh my gosh. What is going on? Nothing, baby. Baby? You two are dating? Yeah. See you in a minute, baby. Are those glasses like invincible? Yeah, since you broke my other one. No, you just fell off the wall. No, you pushed me. Just leave with your boyfriend. Come on, baby. Let's go to the roof. Whoa. Ow. Hi, hottie. Hi. You look cute. Thanks, you too. Wanna be funny? Okay. Maybe my girlfriend? Okay, whatever. I've already had a horrible life. This might be the only part of it. That never happened. What? Oh, nothing. It always happens. Okay, whatever. Feels like I am born to die. Horrible life. Wait, you were born to die too? Yeah, I'm wearing contacts. I'm gonna go get my glasses so I can show you. Okay, well, why did you go that way? Because my glasses, I got thrown out of my house and I gotta go get my glasses out of my house. Okay. Cool. See you later. Orphanage, I said lights out. Oh shoot. Get off the roof, you two. Oh man,